So let's power up our Ubuntu server. Click on it. Just hold on. At some point I'll have to speed up the video so that the time can be a doable one. So you make it bigger. Click on the try install the first option. Go ahead, click. The command run. Let's make the screen bigger. Use the option as seen in the screen. Good. So our dependencies are downloading and installing. Let's follow up. At some point you need to use the letter Y to accept each of the conditions. So anywhere you are prompted, just go ahead and type in the letter Y. It's waiting, it takes a while. It's still loading. We have to be patient while doing this process. Good. Select your preferred language. Go ahead and use the options that relate to you. The process is still on. Use the enter key to select done. Every option, just go ahead, use enter key for the done to select and move to the next step. Go ahead, keep pressing your done. Yes, the loading continues. You can use the down or tab key to move to the option to where the done is. Then you click enter. Just follow up with the steps just as it is on the screen. Follow my process, you get the right end. So you move, go ahead and name your infrastructure, your Ubuntu server, give it a name so that when it gets to where would you do SSH telemetry movements, we'll be able to use it to move from our host computer through the terminal PowerShell. We'll use it to access the Ubuntu server and the other endpoints on the network or the infrastructure. So go ahead, complete this page, then move to the next. Continue. Use the tab or the down key to move to the options, just as I'm moving on my screen. When you get to a particular option, you can use the enter key to tick the option or to untick. That is select or unselect. Please just follow these steps just as I am doing on the screen. Good, next, done. Good, very good. The process is moving forward as progressively as we want it to. The kernel is installing. That's a good sign. You have to be patient and stay put. The kernel takes a while. This part should take up to 15 minutes. 15 minutes max. A lot is going on our network. At the end of it, it should prompt us to log in with the credentials we created earlier. The password that we chose will be the password would enter right when it asks us to. So let's follow up and hold on patiently. Yes, there we go. So you go ahead and enter your password. Go ahead and type, even if it's not showing it's normal, just make sure you type in the correct password and you click on enter. You still have to hold on, it takes a little while. Then good, go ahead, enter the name of your Ubuntu's login, then the password as well. Click on enter afterwards. It should log us into our Ubuntu server. Exactly, very good. We just got it. If you look at the down part of your screen, down left corner, you see the name of the Ubuntu server. So next up in the series, we'll have to create our desktop for the Ubuntu desktop. So let's go to the next video so that it can be started. Go ahead, click, then show. Then start up the same process for the Ubuntu desktop. Let's hold on while it's processing. It should be faster than this depending on your laptop capacity and memory.